Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jude and I am a professional automotive designer. Today, I want to share stories of my childhood dreams in the hope that can help some students or parents who are interested about this industry. I believe I got into cars when I was in third grade. I remember that it was a hot summer day. My dad and some of his friends went to play mahjong. To keep us kids quiet, they gave us money to buy toys. So we immediately rushed to the toy section of the mall. I was then attracted by an orange sports car on a shelf with the black box and golden letter L. At the time, I thought all sports cars were Ferraris. It must have been a Ferrari. I fell in love with that car and bought it. Later on, I looked up the brand and realized it was called Lamborghini. And this is a 2006 Murcielago Roadster. Nobody in my region even knew about this brand at that time. I fell madly in love and started collecting pictures and videos on the internet. I've always wanted one as a kid, but of course, it was not possible. But I could play it in a game. I remember the iconic Underground 2 got me into the Need for Speed. Then I could play Lamborghini in the Most Wanted and Carbon. It was just magical. I also like drawing them from every angle, the feeling of every line and gesture. It was gratifying. I remember when Lamborghini first officially came to my city during an auto show. There was a big black booth with a silver LP 560 parked in the middle. I couldn't believe my eyes. It was so awesome. I took my little Gallardo scale model, ran to the salesperson in the back of the car. They were friendly, and we had perfect conversation. Suddenly they asked, although a customer ordered the car, they could let me sit on the passenger side. OMG, my head went blank and my heart was pumping. I can sit in a Lamborghini? The smell of the new car was wonderful, and it was an experience I will never forget. I became good friends with the guys, often brought my drawing to the dealership and gave them as gifts, chatted about the car for the whole afternoon, and I was allowed to sit in a Murcielago once. The steering wheel was so tiny. Anyway, I also got invited to the opening ceremony of the dealership. Stefan, the Lamborghini CEO at the time, came too. I pushed my way through the crowd, handed him my drawing, and said, I love Lamborghini. He looked at me, smiled, and said a lot of English. No idea what it meant. The translator next to him said, do you want an autograph? Still, until this day, I was skeptical about this translation, but I said yes. So Stefan signed my drawing, and it was such a memorable moment for me. I have always loved drawing cars. Sometimes spend 1 or 2 months on a sketch and give to my friends as gifts. Everyone loved my drawings, and I was happy too. In my second year of the high school, I met an art teacher. He was one of my best mentors I've ever met. He taught me everything about building an art portfolio and researching design schools. After careful consideration of the cost and destination, I started to apply for automotive design at Coventry University. Then I started to prepare my portfolio, collected all my drawings, and studied Photoshop on my own. I also did a design project, which was very intimidating but passionate. I also applied to Automotive Engineering if the application didn't go through. One day, I was watching a movie with my friends. My phone rang with a phone call from the UK. The administrator told me the professors had just reviewed my portfolio and they decided to give me an offer. Of course, that was a long time ago. Now the whole industry is very different than back then. A lot of things have changed. From my perspective, I will make more videos about building portfolios to help those who are applying to design schools, internship, or a job. Let me know if you are interested. So, this was my childhood story of loving cars. I would love to hear from you guys about your experience. Please let me know what else you would like to know in the comment section. In the next video, I will share my 4-year university life and my internship at Land Rover. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.